Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely amazing. 2020 has just started, so I'm hoping that your year so far, even though it's only been a few days, I'm hoping that your year is going well. Also, I hope you guys have also started with your goal setting or your resolutions. We'll see how long that lasts. So I thought today would be pretty fun for me to do another collection video. I have one already on my channel with my lug sole shoes. So if you have not checked out my lug sole shoe collection video, make sure you go and check it out. Today though, we are doing a kitten heel collection video. And also, I saw how much you guys enjoyed the lug sole shoe collection, so I thought it would be a great idea for me to sit down and talk about my kitten heel shoe collection just to see what you guys think about it. Before we even get started on today's video, I would love to give a shout out to Tejo_Mudise, who has been showing me so much love on my Instagram and on my channel. Thank you so much for the support and the love that you show me every single time. I really do appreciate it, and I appreciate the love that I get from the rest of you guys. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so please make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like this video. Make sure you let me know what you think in the comment section below. So not only can the shoe be pulled off in a really ladylike, I hate that word, but for lack of a better word, not only can it be ladylike, but it can also be a little edgy if pulled off with the right outfit, as I'm showing you guys over here in all of these pictures I've included. And not only does it look good, but the shoe can also be worn throughout the day. The shoe it's the most comfortable shoe. You're wearing a pair of heels, but you're not like killing your feet. So first pair I'd like to share with you guys is this pair of pink shoes that I have here. And the reason why I like these is obviously the color, because I mean, pink and like pinkish, it's almost there, and my nails pink, and the heel is silver. I do have another pair of shoes that has this silver heel that I've posted on my Instagram, so make sure you go check that out and also follow me on Instagram. I will include that in the description box below and on this video. And the shoe is sort of like, how do I explain, like ipaka, like you can, like it doesn't, you know, it doesn't restrict you, but it's not going to fall off your foot. The pointed toe obviously is always so chic and elegant. I think also sometimes a pointed toe in a kitten heel is necessary, because sometimes while wearing kitten heels, your legs might look a little bit shorter. So the fact that it is pointed still helps to elongate your leg. It's still chic because of the design of the shoe and the fact that it's a kitten heel. So these honestly are my most favorite pair of kitten heels. I do have other pairs that I want to share with you that I still think look absolutely amazing. By the way, these shoes are from Zara. Each and every single one of the shoes I'm about to show you are from Zara. Zara is a plug when it comes to kitten heel shoes. Honestly, any shoes, actually Zara, when it comes to any shoes, Zara is a plug. So next we have another pair of Paka kitten heels, and these heels, as I've said, all of them are from Zara. These ones are from the Traffic collection. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but they have this bow, this huge bow. Look at this bow. Am I the only one obsessed with this bow? And like when you're walking, and it's just like, these shoes look good with like black and white outfits and all black outfits too. For some reason, these shoes look absolutely amazing. It's probably because of the black bow. And the shoe is also, I think, a lot more like ladylike. As I've said, I hate that word, but for lack of a better word, again, ladylike. It looks a lot more ladylike than the previous shoe I was showing you. It also looks a lot better with like dresses and skirts and like, you know, like really flowy florals and like pastels. This pair right here, I have worn these so many times. I've even actually worn these to like, I think 2 job interviews, and those 2 job interviews where I've worn these shoes, I got the job. I think these shoes had something to do with it. What does it say? It says, do what you love, love what you do, or rather do what you love, what you do, what you love. Yeah. These are from the Zara Basic collection. I tried them on with a pair of jeans. They work amazingly well. Any kind of denim, they work well. I've tried them on with a skirt. I've tried them on with a pair of formal pants. Stunning. Kitten heels are supposed to make everything look kind of classy and stuff. These shoes actually add a bit of edge to whatever outfit I'm wearing. It's probably because of this little print that we have over here. So kitten heels aren't only meant for the summer. I have a pair of kitten heels for winter. I have a pair of kitten heel boots. Do you guys remember the whole craze that happened when the Yeezy boots came out and everyone had to go and make their own pair of Yeezy boots, and like people would buy like heels and then go and buy socks and make all kinds of like designs and stuff, and like make all kinds of like pairs of shoes and in different colors and everything. Well, Zara pretty much did the same thing. This shoe is from Zara, the Zara Basic collection, and I've actually looked at this shoe properly, and what I found is inside is like a normal shoe. So we have like a pretty normal, like normal standard pump, and then on top of that pump we have socks. If you guys look closely, I'm not sure if you guys can see, but there's like all the different patterns and stuff you'd find on a sock. Like this part over here, you can see that is where your heel would go.